Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling the essentials so the search is precise. Enter your legal name exactly as on records, then add your date of birth. Small mismatches cause failures. Once done, locate the exam portal or the school's candidate system and log in with credentials or prepare the temporary access form from the exam office. Keep your center code or any partial index numbers ready because you'll use them immediately. This reduces back and forth and speeds the process. Once you're on the portal, choose the correct exam year and stream because wrong selections hide results. Use the name and DOB search first. It's fastest when records match. If that fails, switch to center code or index range search and enter any partial numbers you noted. Make sure to review the candidate photo or parent's name displayed. That confirms it's the correct record. If multiple matches appear, narrow by center code or subject group to pinpoint the exact. After you find the index number, write it down and capture a screenshot or print the page to avoid losing it. Once saved, double-check spelling and the index against your admission forms. If you can't find a record, contact your school or the examination office with your ID, birth certificate, and any center details. They can search archived lists. If the website misbehaves, clear your browser cache, try another browser or device, or use the exam office kiosk. This fixes most access problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.